everybody, we're here today with one of our new Legit Kit panels. This is the Fox.
Autumn the Fox. Yes.
Autumn the Fox.
I
And
love
he is
the colors.
so beautiful and vibrant. I love it too.
And these eyes are so striking.
They are. So I saw this as like a kid's room quilt.
Ooh.
Or a guy's room quilt that you wanted to put up on a wall.
Mm-hmm.
Or you could use this as a center panel of a cool bedspread for a guy's room.
Absolutely.
Or a girl's room, because lots of girls like foxes too.
So tell me where this originated from.
So this originated from Legit Kits. It is one of their paper pieced, original artwork, or paper piecing that they did to make a kit out of. And we've taken their artwork and put it on panels so that you can use this to practice your quilting on before you get it started on the quilt that you're going to make. Or you can just use this to practice your quilting on and to make it into a beautiful art quilt.
I will say we have a lot of different of these panels all quilted up in our warehouse. They look awesome as wall hangings. They're just so vibrant and bright, and everybody wants to come up and touch them.
Yep, because they look so cool.
They do.
All right, get yours today. Happy quilting!